Hey guys, welcome to my video. There's an important announcement I need to tell you. Get your popcorn ready. Because this might be a long video, because I'm going over all kinds of parts. Going over what I'm going to is what they're called, and also what they do. So, get your popcorn ready, sit back in your seats, and enjoy the video. Alright guys? We'll be going over two big buckets. This is just a bunch of my stuff. And this might look familiar to some of you if you've watched my taking apart old CD player. So let's get started. Alright, first up is resistors. Lots of resistors. And what they do is they hold back electricity, so it's a small amount of electricity going through, so you don't burn out some of your other parts. Alright, let's see what's next. Alright, I got a whole bag full of stuff right here. Let me get it out. So first we have a 7-segment display with 4. It's just LEDs. That's basically all it does. What we got next is the same thing, just only has 1. Next, we have a joystick. Alright, we have a joystick. So, what the joystick does is, it's a joystick, but you'll see on the sides, it kind of acts like a resistor. Sometimes I use it as a potentiometer almost, because you can adjust the resistance on both the x-axis and the y-axis. So that's that. Let's see what's next. Oh, this is for the Adept. That's what the company I got the microbit kit from. They're really good. They got really good stuff in the kit. It helped me a lot. I love the microbit too. So this is just the expansion board, so you can hook up more projects from the kit. Oh yeah, some of these kind of parts, both of them, of course, are from the old CD player, and some of them are from the Super Starter kit and the Adept microbit kit, the Elegoo Super Starter kit. They're all good kits, except the CD player. I mean, it was fun taking it apart, you know. Alright, here's another joystick from the Elegoo kit. We have a stepper motor. I know it does not work. It's a motor, but mine does not work. We have a DC motor right here from Adept. This stepper motor was from the Elegoo Super Starter kit. This is a potentiometer. I have another one of these. This is from the Elegoo Super Starter kit, but this potentiometer is actually really cool because you can take the knob out. So you put the knob in. This could be used really well. Put the knob in, adjust it to what you want, take it out, so then you can just put it in, and it's that kind of resistor. Just put it in, you have that resistor. It's pretty cool. I love this potentiometer. It's pretty cool. Well, this, you guys may not know what it is, but it is to the M5 stack. It's one of the M5 stacks. M5 stack is a stackable little pocket-sized computer kind of thing, and it's got the ESP32 core in it. And this is just one of the stacks, the USB stack. Alright. Alright, we got an infrared remote. Here's another potentiometer from the Adept starter kit. Microbit kit, I mean. We have a 4x4 matrix keypad. We got jumper wires. I have an SD card holder. This is from the Elegoo Starter kit. Elegoo Raspberry Pi kit. The Raspberry Pi kit was really helpful. I got the Raspberry Pi from it. It's got a really friendly operating system, but it's more leaned towards the beginners and things, right? Man, I am not even completely almost done, not even close to be done, and I already have all that on the side. It's going to be a while to put away. Alright, we of course have the Arduino Uno. You guys probably know what that is. If you don't, then just research it. We have some LEDs, a resistor, or that. I see in here a few small parts. Let's see what we got in here. Alright, I see a diode. It's a diode. Here's a diode. Go to my simple parts video. If you don't know what diodes are, you'll figure that out. I actually don't know what this is. I never even knew I had this. I guess I gotta figure that out. Okay. If you guys tell me what that is. Okay. This is a phototransistor. I think that's how you pronounce that. I'm not sure. But it's like a resistor, but it finds the level of resistance by the light. Alright, we got some more stuff in here. Oh, the IIC interface module. This, I know you put on, let's see if I can find one, put on a LCD screen. So here's one I have. So you just hook it on like this. So let me find the labels. Alright, hook it on like this. See that? I think I have it on the wrong way. But you hook it on like that, and then you can just hook it up to this, a plug to this, and it makes it a lot easier to wire up in a LCD screen. Alright, what do we have next? Oh, something that's another pretty awesome part. The Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. That's what this is, and all of you probably know what this is. If you don't, then you can go research that. The breadboard, if you don't know what this is, go check out my Simple Parts video. What do we got in this bag? So, the infrared receiver. So, it receives infrared signals from the infrared remote. Alright, we got lights in here. A temperature and humidity. Yeah, alright, there we go. You got a button. Probably know what that is. If you don't, then go check out that on the Simple Parts video. I think we got a shift register in here and some other parts. I think that's a piezo buzzer, if that's how you pronounce it. Alright, let's check in here. We got a rotary encoder, same kind of thing, we already went over that. Stepper motor controller board, Bluetooth module, that's basically all, and some transistors, and a really big RGB LED. Alright, let me go over this. An RGB LED. If you don't know what this is, it has you may see that it has 4 pins. 4 of them, so one's red, one's green, one's blue, and one of them returns power. And yeah, that's what this is, or gives power back. And you can do any color you want. Sometimes I've built a project with. All right, we got this. I don't know why it has been, but it has been. So yeah, it's kind of broken. I'll just take pliers to it. We have the ultrasonic sensor right here, which it gives a ping out, and then it bounces off. So I'll just ping it to the camera. Ping, bounces back. So it can measure distance, things like that. See if something's in front of it. Kind of like echolocation with bats and everything. We have an iPod charger, LED screen. It is an LED screen, not LED screen. The Uno Proto Shield. An LED screen. I connected a bunch of buttons. Last video with the CD player thing, I said LCD screen. It is not LCD. If you can look close enough, it's LED. Alright, just like LED. Alright, there's that. And I think that is about all. So that is all of them. I hope you like my video. Oh, also came with speakers and stuff. Hope you like my video. Hope you like that video. I got a big mess to clean up now. So I just set it aside. Everything I went over. But I'll clean it up. Hope you liked my video. Give a thumbs up if you liked it. Give a thumbs down if it was absolutely terrible. Thumbs down. Comment below if you want me to do more videos kind of like this, going over parts and things. Anyway, have a great day, guys. Subscribe down below, and have a great day.